Hello guys, good evening, good evening. You're still watching MTG and Ace Daily Vlogs. Wala lang na naman dito si Ace kasi nasa Makati siya, busy siya sa buhay niya. Gumagawa siya ngayon actually ng videos niya for Escootmoto TV. So, guys, don't forget to subscribe our both channels. That's Escootmoto TV. And for those scooter lovers, e-bikes, lahat nandun. And may mga specs check kami doon and also meron din siyang mga um, previews the about this COVID-19 and then the quarantine protocols. Ito sa dito naman tayo sa MTG and Ace Daily Vlogs. It's more focused on travel. Sa ngayon guys, we are so sorry dahil pag nagta-travel kami, it most likely yung nakikita nyo sa videos are the roads lang kasi due to the quarantine protocols nga na pinaiiral ng bawat municipality na dinadaanan namin. But sooner or later, we'll surely cover those places, lalo na yung mga tawag nito, mga tourist spots nila, yung mga gandang lugar na pwede nating puntahan for vacation pag unwind natin. So, ito guys, may nagpapa-shoutout lang. I'd like to shout out si Riel Picardal Villalon and Jimmy Umil. Special request yan ni Raymond Wayne Mingote. Alright. Alright. Alam niyo na yan. Si Caners. So, yun. Uh, i-mention ko na rin si John Paul Mihica na soon malapit na ikakasal na siya. Actually days na lang ang bilang days na lang magiging Mr. na siya. Magiging husband na siya ni ni ng kanyang lucky wife na si Gailin Robedizo. All right guys, so may nag-request na itong kanta na to. Winning piece namin to actually nung partner ko na si Cherry. Winning piece namin to nung kumanta kami na sa Greenery ng Cognizant. However, hindi ko na siya, since matagal na hindi nagigitara si MTG at hindi na rin masyadong kumakanta, I don't know kung makakaya pa. Pero try lang natin. Pero request to. Morning Vibe to actually nakanta, Morning Vibe. However, gabi naman, morning naman na. So, try natin. So, let's try. You don't know better when you hold me and kiss me slowly. It's the sweetest thing. And it don't change. If I had it my way, you would know that you are. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow, no matter how far. If life is a movie, then you're the best part. You're the best part. It's the sunrise and those brown eyes, yes. You're the one that I desire. When we wake up, then we make love. It makes me feel so nice. You're my water when I'm stuck in the desert. You're the Tylenol I take when my head hurts. You're the sunshine of my life. So, ayan, na-forgot ko i-mention si Mr. Kataba, si Early T. So, Mr. Kataba, yan, dito tayo. So, yun, guys, again, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. That's MTG and Ace Daily Vlogs. Sama nyo na rin si Escootmoto TV. And also, si Mr. Kataba. Sa Facebook lang siya. Wala pa siyang YouTube channel as of now. So, we thank you for your support. And supportahan nyo pa rin. We are asking for your continued support. Okay? Thank you so much and good night. Alright.